What if I told you you can actually help your belly and waist while sitting on a chair? No floor, no jumping, just this. Some days, even the idea of exercising feels tiring. You sit down for just 5 minutes and suddenly the whole day passes. And honestly, you've been feeling low on energy lately, you are definitely not alone. So many women want to become more active, but the biggest struggle is not motivation, it's exhaustion. After household work, after office work, after family responsibilities, or simply long hours of sitting, your body starts feeling heavy, slow, stiff, and uncomfortable. And then difficult workouts online make things even worse. Too much jumping, too much floor movement, too intense, too fast. And many women quietly think, maybe fitness is just not for me. But that is not true at all. Sometimes your body does not need a punishing workout. It simply needs gentle movement. And that's exactly what today's chair workout is about. Hi everyone, I'm Natasha Mohan, and over the years I've helped so many women start their fitness routines and gain a healthy lifestyle, which is much more realistic and manageable way. Not extreme fitness, not impossible routines, just simple daily movement that feels easy enough to continue consistently, because consistency matters far more than intensity. And today's workout is perfect. If you are a beginner, you feel low on energy, you sit for long hours and you don't enjoy difficult workouts, or you simply want easy belly and waist exercises at home. And the best part, you can do everything sitting on a chair. No floor workout and no jumping, no complicated movements. Just easy exercises to help your body move more comfortably. Let me know in the comments section, all of you watching this wonderful video, how many hours a day do you actually sit on a chair? Do you have a sedentary lifestyle or do you have an active lifestyle? Just write these two answers in the comment section. Let's see which one wins, sedentary or active lifestyle. I genuinely read your comments because it helps me create more workouts that feel more realistic in your daily life. Now before we begin, sit comfortably near the edge of your chair. Let's begin. So now let's begin with the first exercise, which is you have to flutter your legs like this. So just sit on a chair or a stool and you have to flutter your legs. It's a very simple and easy exercise which you can achieve, and it's going to affect your lower abdomen, which is often a cause of concern for many women and men. Let's do it together. So do it along with me. It's a very simple routine which is so easy and so effective. Well done. The next exercise I'm going to show you is a simple and easy high knee routine. Whether you sit on a stool like this or on a chair like I was sitting earlier, all you have to do is this. This is so easy, so effective. It's called the high knee, where you have to lift your knee to the height of your chest and you have to clap below like this. You can either do this early in the morning or you can do it in the evening. And you can even go slightly faster according to your convenience. Also, let me know in the comments which part of your belly area are you looking to target. Your upper belly, your lower belly, or your side belly fat. We're done. Well done. Now you must have heard of chair walking, which is literally sitting on a chair and walking like this. But today I'm actually going to show you another variation of chair walking in which you can include kicking as well, which is even more effective. You have to walk and kick and kick. So this is how effective it can be. If you can do high kicks, it's even better. And in case you can't do high kicks, then we'll just go lower like this. Suit yourself, do it at your own pace, because I want you to do it every single day without fail. A slight variation can go miles to give you the result. So just include this slight variation and you're sure to see results. Well done, so proud of you. The next exercise I'm going to show you is toe touches. So when you're touching your toe, you're actually bending slightly forward but not exactly forward to hurt your back. Just keep your posture straight and your core muscles intact. You have to make sure your core muscles are tucked in tight for all these exercises. Now this very exercise is super easy, super effective, super fun. Why I'm teaching you this exercise is because you can actually do all of these anywhere while sitting on a chair, be it morning, afternoon, evening. The only difference is you have to keep a gap of at least 2 hours between your meals and the exercise. Let's do the toe touches together. If you want, you can do it slowly or you can do it faster, just the way I am. Well done! If you haven't saved this video, then do save it because it's going to come in handy every single day. While you feel like exercising some easy routines, then you can follow this very video. Just sitting on a chair while you're watching your TV, sitting on a couch, or in the morning when you wake up from bed. You just need a seat, be it anything. You can actually do these exercises, they're so simple, and this being the target area. You will sure see results. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then,